Everyone thinks a recession means you're about to lose everything: your job, your savings, your future. But what if I told you that's exactly what they want you to think? Because while you're scared and frozen, they're buying up everything for pennies. Here's how to join them instead of becoming their victim. Every economic downturn in history has created more millionaires than boom times. The 2008 crash made fortunes. The dot-com bubble, same story. Even the Great Depression created wealth dynasties that still exist today. So buckle up, because I'm about to show you the playbook the rich use when everyone else is losing their minds. First, let's talk about what a recession actually is, because most people get this wrong. Imagine the economy is a giant pizza. During good times, the pizza is huge. Everyone gets a slice. Life is good. But during a recession, that pizza shrinks. Now, here's the key. The pizza gets smaller, but it doesn't disappear. Most people see the shrinking pizza and panic. They stop eating, they hide, they wait for the pizza to grow back. But smart people, they realize something crucial. There's still pizza on the table. And if everyone else is too scared to grab a slice, well, more for them. That's lesson number one. Recessions don't destroy wealth, they transfer it from the fearful to the fearless, from the unprepared to the prepared. Now this is where it gets interesting. During a recession, cash becomes like a superpower. Think of it like this. You're at a garage sale, but it's the world's biggest garage sale. Houses, stocks, businesses, everything is on sale. And I mean deep discounts. 30% off, 50% off, sometimes 70% off. But here's the catch. You need cash to shop. And most people, they're broke. They spent everything during the good times on fancy cars and expensive vacations. So rule number 2 is build your cash reserves before the recession hits, aimed for 6 to 12 months of living expenses. I know it sounds boring, but you know what's not boring? Buying a rental property for half price while your neighbor is panic selling. Warren Buffett said it best. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Translation: save your money when times are good so you can spend when times are bad. Okay, here's something most people don't know, and the wealthy definitely don't want you to figure out. During a recession, a secret market opens up. I call it the distress market, and it's absolutely loaded with opportunity. Here's how it works. Imagine your neighbor bought a fancy sports car 2 years ago, $80,000, financed, of course. Now he lost his job, can't make the payments, and the bank's about to repossess it. He is desperate. He'll sell it to you for $45,000 cash today just to avoid the repo hitting his credit. That same car, you can turn around and sell it for $65,000 to someone who still has a job. Boom, $20,000 profit in a week. This happens with everything during recessions: jewelry, equipment, inventory, even entire businesses. People need cash fast, and they'll take 50 cents on the dollar just to survive. But here's the ethical part, and this is important. You're not taking advantage of them. You're actually helping them. They get the cash they desperately need to pay rent or feed their family. You get an asset at a fair distress price. It is a win-win. The ultra-wealthy call it distress asset acquisition. You can call it helping people while building wealth. The strategy? Join local Facebook groups, Craigslist, go to estate sales and auctions. Bring cash, be respectful, make fair offers. Watch your net worth grow while actually helping people in tough situations. This is the recession goldmine nobody talks about. And now you know. So the next time you hear the media scream recession, don't feel fear. Feel prepared. Don't see crisis. See opportunity. Because the playbook is no longer a secret. It's in your hands now. The only question is, what are you going to do with it?
All right, let's talk about what you should actually be buying during a recession. Forget what you know. Picture this. It's the biggest Black Friday sale you've ever seen. But instead of flat screen TVs, it's stocks, real estate, and entire businesses. Everything is on sale, marked down 50, 60, 70% because the rest of the world is panicking. Let's start with stocks. During the 2008 crash, you could have snagged Apple for $12 a share. 12. Today, it's over 170. Amazon went from $50 to thousands. Netflix, Google, Microsoft, all of them were practically being given away. The people who had the guts to buy when everyone else was selling didn't just get rich, they got stupid rich. That opportunity is coming again. Then there's real estate. Recessions mean foreclosures. They mean desperate sellers and banks begging to get properties off their books. This is your chance. You can negotiate deals that are literally impossible in a hot market. Think about it. You buy a duplex, you live in one half, and you rent out the other. Your tenant pays your mortgage while the property value skyrockets on the rebound. And what about businesses? Small businesses get crushed. Some fail, but others are perfectly good businesses that just need a cash lifeline. You can step in and buy a profitable company for pennies on the dollar, keep it afloat, and watch it explode when the economy turns around. The key is simple. Buy assets. Buy things that put money in your pocket while you sleep. But what if you don't have a pile of cash ready to go? What if you're starting from scratch?
Good. This is the best time to level up your skills. Think of it like a video game. In good times, everyone's lazy, they're not grinding. But in a recession, while they're all scared, you hit the gym. You become more valuable. So what skills? Digital marketing. Every business is desperate for customers, and if you can bring them sales, you're a hero. Sales itself. Recession or boom, companies need revenue. Salespeople always eat. Coding and tech. The world is only going more digital. Learn to build websites, apps, anything. And copywriting. Words that sell are worth their weight in gold. While everyone else is complaining and binge-watching Netflix, you're building skills that will 10x your income on the other side. This is also the perfect time to start a business. I know, it sounds insane, but think about it. Costs are lower. Office space is cheap. Freelancers charge less. There's less competition because everyone else is too scared to make a move. And the market is hungry for deals, for solutions. Airbnb started in the 2008 recession. So did Uber, WhatsApp, Groupon, all billion-dollar companies born from a crisis.
You don't have to build the next Uber. Just start something. Freelance, consult, sell online, create another income stream. Now, let's cover what not to do. This is where most people get wiped out. Mistake number 1, panic selling. The market dips, you sell everything at the bottom. Congratulations, you just made your losses permanent. The rich are on the other side of that trade, buying everything you just sold for cheap. Mistake number 2, going into bad debt. Credit cards, payday loans, financing a new car you don't need. Debt in a recession is an anchor tied to your ankle. And mistake number 3, the most dangerous of all, doing nothing. Fear paralyzes people. They freeze, they wait, and they miss every single opportunity. Don't be that person. Look, recessions are hard. People lose their jobs. It's stressful. I'm not going to pretend it isn't. But every single recession is also a massive transfer of wealth. Money doesn't disappear, it just changes hands. And you get to choose which side of that transfer you're on. Will you be the one who panics and loses? Or will you be the one who prepares, stays calm, and capitalizes? The choice is yours.